All right, now let's check out number 2. So I'll probably just do the same thing. Now, if I wanted to capo for E, there's my E chord. I put the capo at F, so it's just up 1 fret. Now when I play E, it's going to sound F. So my 1, 4, 5 are E, A, and B. Okay, so I'll leave it there. You're capoed someplace else, so I'll leave it there. We'll do number 2, and let's jump down to the 6/8 pattern. I think it's number 16. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. All right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.